In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add wallet in WordPress. We'll be using a plugin called Wallet for WooCommerce, and I'll walk you through the process in a simple and clear way so you know exactly what to expect. Before we begin, it's important to understand that installing plugins on WordPress.com usually requires a paid plan. So if you don't see the option to install or activate plugins, that is most likely the reason. First, log into your WordPress.com account and go to your site dashboard. From there, head to My Home. This is the main control area for your website, where you can manage settings, content, and installed features. Starting here helps make sure you're working on the correct site before adding anything new. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the menu and click on Plugins. This section is where you can search for, install, and manage plugins that extend the functionality of your WordPress site. Since a wallet feature isn't built into WordPress by default, using the plugin is the easiest way to add it. After opening the plugins section, use the search bar and type in Wallet for WooCommerce. Be sure to enter the name carefully so the correct plugin appears in the results. This plugin is designed to add a digital wallet system to a WooCommerce powered store, which can be useful if you want customers to store funds and use them for future purchases. When you see Wallet for WooCommerce in the search results, click on it to open the plugin page. This is a good moment to quickly confirm that you've selected the right plugin before moving forward. You may also see a short description and some details about what the plugin does. Next, click on Upgrade and Activate. On WordPress.com, this option may appear if your current plan does not yet support plugin installation. If that happens, WordPress will prompt you to upgrade before you can continue. Once you're on a plan that allows plugins, you'll be able to activate the plugin and begin using it on your site. One important note is that you do need a paid plan to install this plugin on WordPress.com. If you are on a free plan, the platform will not allow plugin installation, even if you can find the plugin in search. So if the button is unavailable or asks you to upgrade, that is expected, and that's it. Once the plugin is activated, the wallet functionality will be added through WooCommerce, and you'll be ready to continue with its setup inside your store.